In today's digital age, data security is paramount. Think of BitLocker as a fortress for your data, shielding it from prying eyes. BitLocker encrypts the entire drive where your Windows operating system resides. If your computer is lost or stolen, the data remains inaccessible without the encryption key. BitLocker encrypts your data, rendering it unreadable without the proper decryption key. This ensures that even if your device falls into the wrong hands, your data remains protected. While you can enable BitLocker through the Windows interface, PowerShell offers a more streamlined and efficient approach, especially for managing multiple devices. PowerShell, a powerful scripting language from Microsoft, provides granular control over your system, including BitLocker. First, you need to check if your device supports BitLocker. Not all computers have the necessary hardware, specifically the Trusted Platform Module or TPM chip. You can quickly check by running the command in PowerShell. If your device has a TPM, you'll see its information. Now let's enable BitLocker. The command is simple. This instructs BitLocker to encrypt your C drive, where Windows is usually installed. Remember to replace C with the drive letter of your operating system drive if it's different. Once the command is executed, BitLocker will start encrypting your drive in the background. Depending on the size of your drive and the amount of data, this process might take some time. Rest assured, your computer will continue to function normally during the encryption process. Once BitLocker is enabled, you'll be prompted to choose a method to protect your encryption key. This key is what unlocks your drive and makes your data accessible. Think of it as the key to your digital fortress. Losing this key means losing access to your data. One option is to use your Microsoft account. Your key gets securely stored in your Microsoft account online. While this is convenient, ensure your Microsoft account is protected with a strong, unique password. Alternatively, you can save the recovery key to a file or print it. The recovery key is a long, unique string of characters that can unlock your drive if you forget your other authentication methods. Store this file securely, preferably offline, or print a hard copy and keep it in a safe place. If your device has a TPM, you can use it as a key protector. The TPM is a hardware chip that offers an additional layer of security by storing a portion of your BitLocker key. This means someone would need physical access to your device and the TPM to decrypt your drive. Section 4. Fine-tuning your encryption BitLocker parameters and options. PowerShell allows you to customize your BitLocker encryption with various parameters. For instance, you can specify the encryption method using the parameter followed by the desired method, such as, this gives you more control over the encryption strength. You can also choose where to store the recovery key file. The parameter comes in handy here. For example, would save the recovery key file to the E drive. Always choose a safe location for this file. Remember, while these customization options give you greater control, they require a good understanding of BitLocker and its implications. If you're unsure about a parameter, it's best to stick with the default settings or consult the official Microsoft documentation for a detailed explanation. Section 5. Best practices for a BitLocker-protected world. Enabling BitLocker is a significant step towards securing your data. Follow best practices to maximize its effectiveness. Think of it as reinforcing your digital fortress. Back up your data regularly. BitLocker can't prevent data loss due to hardware failure. Keep your system and software up to date. Security updates address vulnerabilities. Use strong, unique passwords for BitLocker. Be aware of social engineering attacks. Section 6. BitLocker, your silent partner in data defense. In a world increasingly reliant on digital information, BitLocker stands as a silent guardian, safeguarding your sensitive data. By encrypting your entire drive, it provides a robust layer of protection against unauthorized access, ensuring that even if your device is lost or stolen, your data remains secure. Remember, enabling BitLocker is just the first step. Choosing strong key protectors, customizing the encryption settings to your needs, and following best practices are equally important in maximizing your data security. Think of it as building a well-rounded defense strategy for your digital fortress. BitLocker, with its powerful encryption and versatile options, empowers you to take control of your data security. By understanding its features and following best practices, you can confidently navigate the digital landscape, knowing that your valuable information is protected by a fortress of encryption. In the ongoing battle for data security, BitLocker emerges as a powerful ally, ensuring that your digital world remains your own.